What if a computer smaller than your morning coffee mug could power your entire workstation? Meet the NucBox K7 Plus, the new compact PC making big waves in a small package. The NucBox K7 Plus is the latest compact desktop to hit the market, designed for users who crave performance without the bulk. Inside its sleek aluminum shell lies Intel's 13th Gen Core i7-13620H, a 10-core powerhouse that balances speed and efficiency. With Intel UHD graphics, it's perfect for productivity, streaming, and light creative tasks. But if you're after serious GPU horsepower, this isn't your machine. The K7 Plus doesn't support a dedicated graphics card, and without Oculink or Thunderbolt 5, external GPU upgrades are off the table. Still, it's no lightweight. This tiny PC can handle up to 96 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM at 4800 MHz, giving you workstation-level multitasking. And with two M.2 SSD slots, there's room for both speed and storage, though the primary slot offers faster transfer rates. The best part? You can start small or go all in. The barebone version sells for $339, letting you customize your own RAM and SSD. Or choose the pre-built model with 32 gigabytes of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD for $599. Despite its size, connectivity is generous. You get two HDMI 2.0 ports, one DisplayPort, and support for three 4K monitors at 60 Hz, perfect for multi-display workstations. Add in one USB 4, four USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A ports, dual 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6 with Bluetooth 5.2, and you're fully equipped. The NucBox K7 Plus isn't built for gamers or 3D artists, but for professionals, students, and digital creators who value power, silence, and style in a minimal footprint. It's a little box with big ambitions. If you're into compact computing or want more reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and remember, sometimes the smallest devices make the biggest impact.